Brother, be honest. How many times did you start your car and instantly blast the AC because it was hot inside? Most drivers do it every single day. But the big question is this: is it actually safe for your engine, or are you slowly damaging it without knowing? According to basic automotive engineering, the first seconds after startup are the most sensitive for your engine. Oil pressure is still building. Metal parts are still cold. Today, we are breaking down the real truth behind turning on your AC right after starting your car. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. Stay with me because the next part explains what really happens inside your engine at startup. Here is the science in simple words, buddy. When you first start the engine, oil has not fully reached all moving parts yet. Friction is still high. Your crankshaft, pistons, and bearings are waking up from rest. Studies from automotive engineering journals explain that most engine wear happens during cold starts, not during driving. Now, when you turn on the AC immediately, the compressor adds extra load to the engine. That means more stress at the weakest moment. The solution is not complicated, and I will share it with you next. But first, let me show you how much extra load the AC actually adds. Your AC compressor is driven by the engine belt. When it kicks in, engine load rises instantly. This is why you feel a small drop in engine speed when AC turns on. That drop means your engine is working harder. Engineers explain that extra load during cold startup increases wear over time. The fix is simple but powerful. Wait just 30 to 60 seconds before turning on the AC. That short pause allows oil to circulate and protect your engine. And here is your motivation, brother. Small habits done daily protect big investments long term. Next, we talk about whether modern cars are different from old ones. Many people say modern cars do not need warm-up. That is partly true and partly false. Yes, modern fuel injection is faster. Yes, oil flows better than older cars. But physics did not change. Cold metal still expands when hot. Oil still needs time to build pressure. According to engineers from popular auto magazines, even modern engines benefit from a short stabilization period. You do not need to wait long. Just give it a calm first minute. Coming up next, I will explain what happens inside the AC system during cold starts. When you turn on the AC, the compressor starts to compress refrigerant right away. That process demands power. If your engine is still cold, the AC load can cause rough idle, vibration, and extra strain on belts and pulleys. Over many years, this adds up. The solution is easy. Let your engine stabilize, then turn on the AC gradually. Do not push everything at once. Think smooth, not sudden. And in the next segment, I will tell you if this habit changes in hot weather. Now let us talk about extreme heat, buddy. Many drivers say they must turn on the AC instantly because the cabin feels like an oven. I get that, but even in extreme heat, your engine still needs that short oil circulation time. The good news is that waiting less than 1 minute is already enough in most cases. Here is your motivation. Discipline for 1 minute saves you from years of repairs. Up next, let us discuss what happens if you always ignore this habit. If you always turn on your AC instantly after startup, you may not feel damage right away. But slowly, wear builds up. Belt tensioners wear faster. AC compressor bearings get stressed earlier. Engine mounts feel the shock loads. Over years, this leads to earlier failures. Auto technicians often see vehicles with premature AC system problems linked to rough startups. The fix is awareness. Knowing is already half of the solution. Next, I will explain the difference between gasoline and diesel engines for this habit. Gasoline engines warm up faster than diesel engines. Diesel engines have higher compression and heavier internal parts. That means diesel engines feel even more stress when extra load hits too early. If you drive diesel, waiting a bit before turning on the AC becomes even more important. The solution remains the same. Short calm, idle, gentle throttle, then activate AC. This simple routine protects both engine and compressor. And next, I will tell you how this also affects your fuel economy. Turning on AC immediately after startup also affects fuel use. When the engine is cold, it already uses more fuel to stabilize combustion. Adding AC load on top of that pushes fuel consumption even higher. Studies from fuel efficiency research show that aggressive cold starts waste more fuel than people realize. The smart move is letting your engine breathe first. Here is your motivation, brother. Smart habits save both your engine and your wallet. Now let us look at what the car computer actually does when you turn on the AC early. Your car computer tries to balance engine speed, fuel, and AC load all at once. When you turn on AC instantly, the system increases idle speed to prevent stalling. That sudden adjustment creates brief stress spikes on internal parts. It is not dangerous once or twice, but repeating it every day adds load where you do not need it. The solution is to cooperate with the system, not fight it. Let it stabilize first. Next up, I will tell you the signs that your AC startup habit is already hurting your car. Here are warning signs, brother. Rough idle when AC turns on, squealing belt noise, vibration at stoplights, sudden drops in engine speed. These signs show that your startup routine is stressing the system. Many drivers ignore these signs until costly repairs appear. The fix is not expensive parts. It is changing habits. Start the engine, wait calmly, then turn on AC. That is it. Coming next, I will share the best startup routine you can follow every day. Here is the ideal routine. Start the engine. Let it idle calmly for 30 to 60 seconds. Do not press the throttle aggressively. After that, turn on your AC, then drive gently for the first few minutes. That is the golden routine used by experienced mechanics. And here is your motivation for today. Patience at the start creates reliability for the future. Next, I will explain if this routine changes for short trips. Short trips are actually harder on your car than long drives. The engine rarely reaches full operating temperature. If you also turn on AC immediately every time, stress multiplies. This is why city cars often suffer more AC and belt problems. The solution is even more important for short trips. Give your car that short warm-up. It is the cheapest protection you will ever apply. Next, let us talk about whether winter changes this habit. In cold weather, this habit becomes even more critical. Cold oil is thicker. Internal resistance is higher. Turning on AC right away forces the engine to fight both cold friction and compressor load. That is a double burden. In winter, waiting a little longer before turning on AC is even better. Brother, your car feels temperature just like you do. Treat it with the same respect. Next, I will explain how this habit affects long-term resale value. Cars that receive gentle startups usually show better condition in the long run. Less belt noise, smoother AC operation, fewer idle issues. When buyers test drive a used car, these details matter. A smooth idle equals trust. A noisy startup equals doubt. This habit protects not only your driving experience, but also your resale value. And here is your motivation. Good habits today create higher value tomorrow. Next, I will answer the most common question people ask about this topic. Many people ask, is it dangerous if I forget once or twice? The honest answer is no. 1 or 2 times will not destroy anything. Damage comes from daily repetition over years. Think of it like bending a wire. One bend is fine. Thousands of bends will break it. The solution is consistency, not perfection. Do your best most of the time. Coming up next, I will explain what mechanics really do with their own cars. Most experienced mechanics follow this simple habit. They start the engine, let it stabilize, then turn on AC. They know exactly where wear begins. They do not rush the startup because they work on broken cars every day. They see the results of bad habits with their own eyes. You do not need advanced skills to protect your engine. Just copy the habits of people who fix them. Next, we wrap this into one simple rule you can remember forever. Here is the one rule, buddy. Do not shock a cold engine. That applies to throttle, AC, and heavy electrical loads. Treat the first minute like a warm handshake, not a punch. Your engine will thank you with smoother performance and longer life. And here is your motivation before we finish. Long-lasting machines are built by calm operators. Next, let me summarize everything clearly for you. So here is the full summary. Turning on your AC immediately after starting your engine adds extra stress at the weakest moment. It increases wear on belts, compressors, and engine components over time. Waiting 30 to 60 seconds allows oil pressure to stabilize and parts to warm slightly. This small pause protects your engine, saves fuel, and extends the life of your AC system. One habit, many benefits. And now, brother, let us close this with your action step. Now you know the truth about turning on your car AC right after startup. Start using this habit today, and your engine will thank you for years to come. Like, share, and comment your experience with your car habits. Disclaimer: consult with a medical professional if you have special conditions.